Right hand, these three fingers will go around the lower portion of the grip here. You're going to keep your trigger finger straight until you're ready to fire. The other hand, index finger on top of middle finger, wrap the hands around like that, thumbs down and forward. Don't let the left thumb creep up here, because each time you fire the pistol, this section of the weapon right here is going to go back and forth. It goes back with great deal of speed and force. So you get the thumb back here, it's never a pleasant experience. All right, arms straight out from the shoulders like that. You're going to close the eye, look through the rear side at the front sight. You got three little dots, line those up in a flat line. Put that flat line right on the bad guy somewhere, press the trigger. When the slide locks back on the weapon, means the weapon's empty. Just set it down on the bench like this. I'll move forward and change the magazine. While you have the weapon in your hand, keep it pointed at the target at all times and do not turn around with it. Okay, you're going to need to move that thumb, because if that slips up, you're going to have a nice slice in the top of it. All right, go ahead and finish that up.
Is it, yeah?
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, it's pretty messed up. He gets a picture of me. Over here, buddy. Over here. I like this lane. This is my lucky don't shoot me lane. First. Alright, let me give you your ammo and your target. When I'm shooting, I want you to take a picture of me. Come on in.
All right, go ahead and set that down.
When they shoot it, you should run.